San Fernando, the bustling commercial hub of southern Trinidad, is known for its vibrant shopping districts, cultural attractions, and beautiful Gulf of Paria views. The city offers a mix of hotels, guest houses, and service apartments to suit every type of travelers. Whether you are here for business, leisure, or a family trip, you will find a variety of accommodations offering comfort, convenience, and warm Caribbean hospitality. The first one is Trade Winds Hotel, a popular choice for both business and leisure travelers. Trade Winds Hotel offers comfortable rooms and inviting outdoor pool and excellent service. Guests love the relaxed atmosphere and friendly staff. The property also features a restaurant serving local and international cuisine. Its location provides quick access to shopping, entertainment, and major roadways, making it ideal for exploring southern Trinidad. The second one is the Royal Hotel. This well established hotel combines classic charm with modern amenities. It offers spacious rooms, a refreshing outdoor pool, and landscape gardens for relaxation. Guests enjoy its central location, which allow easy access to San Fernando's main attraction and business areas. Its elegant setting and reliable service make it a favorite among repeat visitors. The third one is Cara Hotels Trinidad. Known for its warm and welcoming ambience, Cara Hotels offer bright, comfortable rooms and a rooftop pool with scenic views. It caters well to both leisure and vacationing guests. The on-site restaurants are flavorful meals and the staff is praised for their attentive service. A short drive from downtown San Fernando, it provides a peaceful retreat from the city's bustle. The fourth one is comfortable room in San Fernando. This spacious holiday home offers a fully equipped kitchen, multiple bedrooms, and modern amenities such as air conditioning and laundry facilities. Guests enjoy the home-like feel and quiet neighborhood setting. It's perfect for families or groups seeking space and privacy while still being close to shops, restaurants, and the city attractions. The fifth one is Foothills Apartment 28 Vacation Nest, a charming modern apartment offering stylish interiors and a peaceful environment. Guests appreciate its clean and well maintained facilities as well as the proximity to local attractions. Ideal for longer stays, it provides a balance between the comforts of home and the convenience of the city living. The next one is LA's B&B, a budget-friendly bed and breakfast with a cozy atmosphere and friendly service. The rooms are simply furnished yet comfortable, making it a great choice for travelers seeking affordability without compromising cleanliness. Guests enjoy fresh breakfast and a welcoming host who offer local tips. The next one is Gulf View House. This residential style accommodation offers a spacious and affordable stay with easy access to San Fernando's shops and attractions. Guests appreciate the quiet surroundings, making it ideal for those who prefer a peaceful base after exploring the city. It's a good choice for both short and extended stays. The next one is Hidden Treasures Bed and Breakfast, a small, intimate B&B that lives up to its name by offering a peaceful setting and personalized hospitality. Rooms are well kept and equipped with essential amenities. The properties often assist with transport or car rentals, make it convenient for exploring the wider area. The second last is Metro Hotel Kawa. Located within driving distance of San Fernando, Metro Hotel offers comfortable rooms, a pool, and attentive service. Guests like the value for money and the clean modern interiors. It's a practical option for those willing to commute slightly for additional amenities. The last one is one bed apartment on Coconut Drive. This private apartment offers a quiet escape with a fully equipped kitchen and cozy living space. Guests enjoy the secure neighborhoods and comfortable furnishing. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want privacy and flexibility during their stay. San Fernando offers a variety of accommodations to suit every budget's need, from luxury hotels to homely apartments and charming B&Bs. With welcoming host, convenient location, and plenty of amenities, your stay in this lively southern city is sure to be both comfortable and memorable.